Ang hindi malinaw sa akin, magkano ba lahat yung pinag-uusapan? Kasi nawawala 40 million sa gamot, tagpi-tagpi.
Yeah.
Wala silang table na, oops, sorry for giving tips to the...
Pero, kung madagdag ko diyan, no, ang tingin ko kasi dito, dahil nga sa haba ng proseso, nagdadrag siya eh. For instance, yung unang dalawang testigo nila rito was Land Bank of the Philippines officers. All you need to establish was the fact that there were funds.
May pumasok na
May
pera.
pumasok, that's all. And it was withdrawn. That alone, okay, establish mo na yun.
But they were able to do that.
They were able to do it. Kaya nga sinasabi ko nga,
Pero ang tagal.
sa dami, sa tagal. Siyempre, ang tao, yung attention span mo maikli. Kung nakalimutan, ano nga pinag-usapan nakaraan? Di ba? Tapos ito naman. Ito, napaka-technical nito ha. Kita mo nga kaya yung si prosecution lawyer, ang ginagawa niya, meron siyang ending na nudge eh. Di ba? May scam yan. Bongga ka. Dahil di ba, meron siyang nudge.
Prosecution lawyer by the name of Attorney Lorna Capuna.
Kasi alam niya na messaging is part of it. It's not just only presenting it. You may be successful, you're a good lawyer. But at the end of the day, ano yung na-capture ng mamamayan? Kasi yun yung magtutulak sa mga senador. Tama ba boto niyo? Tama ba? That's how I see it.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you something. I don't know. You may choose to answer or not, no?
Si Jad yan.
parang
Si
speed
Jad
na battle
yan.
dito.
Si Jad yan.
Pag politiko na ba yung nandun? At yung one of the members of the House Prosecution Panel, na alam mong mas naka-cloud ba yung strategiya kaysa dun sa, halimbawa, kay Attorney Lorna Capunan at yung mga private lawyers na wala namang ambisyon, na wala namang iniisip na political survival. Nakakamenos ba sa prosecution yun?
Hindi, I think papasok pa lang, I may as well tell you, no? Kasama sana ako doon sa unang impeachment.
I laid the trap. And you fell for
It's
it.
not a trap. I don't mind. I don't mind
Ngayon gusto
disclosing
mo
it.
pa?
Hindi naman. Pero after nung kinancel nung Supreme Court, nullify ng Supreme Court, I got involved in other things na hindi ko na pwedeng
Ito yung 19th Congress. 19th
Yeah, ito yung
Congress.
previous one. No? Anyway, so nakilala ko yung ibang mga players dyan. By the way, doon sa depensa, yung dalawang abogado doon, para mga anak ko yan. Let me, just to give you an idea na talagang
Sino doon?
namamangka ako sa... Yung mga apo ni Narvasa, they're both there. Si Carlo and si Robby. But you'll see them later on. They're like my sons. But anyway, yung mga congressmen, syempre, they came to see me. Nagtatanong syempre kung paano ba ito, etc. Ito, you can see, they're definitely making an effort to present the evidence themselves, Duty-driven yan, Duty-driven yan. Because, no, Carmina, I'll tell you, takot na takot yan. It's a scary thing for them dahil hindi nila gawa yan People like Tranquilin almusal lang sa amin yan Labas-pasok sa korte, labas-pasok sa classroom. That's nothing to us. Araw-araw namin
Scary
ginagawa.
thing, but it's a prime opportunity for them as well.
Because